Can I see some dancing? More dancing? Who are you listening to? Elmo? Can I see some more? More?
Yay!
Yay! Who's on there? Elmo's on there? Any more dancing? Yay! Say bye-bye, Joes. Can you tell me what does a chicken say? Can you tell me what does a chicken say? It's a good look, Joes. Elmo, more Elmo? No, Elmo's all gone. You want to wear your hat? Let me do? Oh, okay. Oh no, do you want help? All right, I guess not. What else? Should we do E-I-E-I-O? E-I-E-I-O? Can you show me what a chicken does? What does a chicken do? What does a chicken do? Ooh, no, 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 no. All done paints. All done paints. You gross. Lucky for you. Thank you. Gross. Uh-oh, because you have half of it in your mouth. Balls on there? Give it to Mommy. No, it's yucky. Give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. Thank you. All done paints. Josie, you ready for a bath?
No.
You ready for a bath?
No.
Do you want to go find a lovey? Josie? What does a bear say? What does a dog say? What does a kitty say? What does a cow say? What does a sheep say? What does a frog say? What does a chicken say? Bye-bye. Let's go take a bath.